Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on how to install trampoline anchors. This is the product that I purchased on Amazon. This is just an example. There are lots of different versions of this available on Amazon, so regardless of the one that you purchase, so long as it's similar to this tutorial should help you accomplish the installation. Once it was delivered to my house, this is what came in the box. There was 2 hooks for installing springs on the trampoline, 4 nylon straps, and 4 spiral steel anchors in order to put in the ground. The trampoline that I have has 4 sections of legs on it, so having 4 anchors is quite handy. I put 1 anchor at each of the 4 legs. If you have more than 4, like 6 or 8, perhaps you could consider purchasing additional anchors. One thing that I recommend for installing is a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch section of PVC pipe. Mine was about a foot long, and it allows you to push down on the anchor and twist at the same time. So here we have the anchor that I have. I'm placing it next to the leg, but not on top of the leg of the trampoline. I have my PVC pipe that I'll use in order to help install it as well. Place the anchor vertically next to the leg, give it a few taps with the PVC pipe to get it started. Press down firmly with the weight from your body and start to twist in a clockwise motion. This anchor starts to dig into the ground a little bit at a time. It's going to feel like it's not catching, it's not really going into the ground the first few times you turn it around. Once you get it starting to get underneath the top layer of soil, it's going to start to grip. Here I've sped the process up a little bit, but once I got it about 1.5 inches to 2 inches into the ground, it actually starts to thread itself in through the soil, and it becomes quite difficult to turn it. I threaded it all the way down to the ground as far as I could go, and then I left the anchor so that it was parallel to the bottom leg of the trampoline. This comes in handy when you go to install the strap later on in the process. All of this took about 4 minutes or so to get it into the ground. Depending upon the type of soil that you have and how hard it is, it may take longer and it may take shorter. Next, we want to install the strap from the trampoline through the anchor and tighten it. We start by unraveling the nylon strap. We put the strap over the top pipe of the trampoline directly above the anchor that's in the ground and hang it down about halfway. Take the other end of the nylon strap and go under the horizontal bar of the anchor and thread it through the metal clip on the strap. The metal clip has a spring-loaded latch on it. You want to squeeze the spring on that latch in order to get the nylon strap through it. Once you get that through, pull down tightly and the self-locking mechanism on the metal clasp will hold it in place, and you want to pull down pretty firmly in order to get this as tight as you can to get some tension developed between the top of the trampoline and the hook at the bottom. Here's some photos of the final product. We've got the strap over the top of the par and through the bottom of the hook, and there is the metal latch that is holding it in place. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.